I would like to today point out a few trends that are kind of coming up in archaeogenetics and that are related to motherhood research. And as you might have noticed yourselves, because of lower price and better methods that allow us to, for example, distinguish siblings from parent and child relationships, we are now able to build large pedigrees that are being reconstructed from various contexts. And this means that, for example, we can also see parents in the pedigrees that are even missing on the site itself, and then speak about their ancestries as well. And what's also interest is kind of the high amount of such pedigrees that are going to be generated in just like next few years. So this is just amount of pedigrees that have been generated in my lab during the last 6 months. And there are many labs that work on similar research. And it must be said that this will allow us not only to connect and confirm the link between biological mother and her child when, for example, they are buried together, but also link them when they are not, and connect them through related archaeological finds. So, but what's very important to notice that when people see sometimes this amount of pedigrees, immediately what they are tempted to do is to count the fertility rate, to count how many children per mother, per generation, etc., etc. And this is very interesting, of course, but there are a lot of important consideration to be taken into account, especially the one that we are only sampling a funerary record and not actually seeing the full situation that we observe that was there at the time. And I think that that nowadays, in this time and age, people should not come up with ideas like, let's kind of estimate what populations are more fertile than others and compare them in such a way, as this is kind of a direct quote that has been said by a colleague. And with that, I would like to thank my collaborators and others that must tolerate my research.